Okay, guys. I have spoken regarding the cards that A, you should tell your bank, and B, I told you that whether it's activated or not for international. The other thing which you need to take care with the cards is that what are the transaction fees on your card? Now, what are the transaction fees? When you use your card internationally, and if you withdraw money from an ATM over there, bank levies certain fees on you. There are certain transaction fees on that. Okay. Sometimes, what will happen is the bank from where you have withdrawn might levy some charges, and your bank too will levy some charges for using card internationally. Okay. The other scenario, if your bank is good and if you're traveling a lot, I would say, I think there are certain fees associated with those cards. Some of the cards which you get, there is zero transaction fees on your card, no matter where you use. Okay. Now the other thing which you need to take care about is that, or you should be aware about it, is that when you take money from the ATM, the conversion rate is not by market, it's what bank decides. Now, sometimes what will happen is, let's say 1 baht is equal to 240 rupees. Okay. Bank will say no, our charge is maybe 220, maybe 250, maybe 210 also in some scenarios. We will give you a conversion rate of that. So you lose around 30 paisa as per compared to the market value of it, or the market, what market is giving. As I told you earlier, banks are the worst exchange givers. Now on top of that, you might be charged heavily on your conversion rate. They will charge that bank where you are withdrawing, that will charge, your bank too might do the same. Now this only happens with certain cards, certain banks. So you better call up your bank and understand these transactional charges. And these transactional charges vary from country to country. Europe specifically charges a lot. I'll share my example of Thailand with you. I withdraw money from one of the ATMs over there, and they had a fixed rate of any transaction. So they said we will charge you 200 baht per transaction. Now that transaction can be of 500 baht, 1000, 10,000, 20,000, whatever you want to draw. We'll charge, simple fee. If you use it again, they will charge another 200 baht. So you better think twice before you withdraw money that, hey, this is what amount of money I needed, I should withdraw it. Otherwise, every transaction you make in Thailand, they will charge you 200 bahts for that. The other thing you need to also know is certain ATMs, you will feel that, hey, I have activated my card, but you couldn't withdraw money from certain ATMs. That is not because your card is not activated or your card is something has happened to your card, but that is maybe your bank and their bank are not collaborated with each other. So the simple thing to do is just find another ATM of some other bank, and you will get your monies. So this is another thing which is very ignored by a lot of travelers, and this can actually cause you a lot of money if you are not careful with the transactions, if you are using your card. So do call up the bank and save money. Yeah, I'll catch you in the next question.